The throttle is sticking just a little bit. It's sticking at the governor, but it's getting better. But man, this thing, it's a whole different machine with both cylinders running. It definitely was not running on 2 cylinders before. No telling how long it's been since it has. You know, it could have been the whole time that other guy had it. But it's got some power. The throttle kind of sticks. Gonna need some brake work too. They work pretty good, but I need to pull them off, take a look at them. Charging system is not working, so it's got a good big battery in it, so we can run it for a while. But yeah, we've got the fan running. We've got it's topped off with coolant, topped off with oil. Doesn't appear to have any leaks, and it's running on 2 cylinders. We're still using our boat tank. Really good. It's got really good power. I was kind of disappointed after I got it running the first time. It did not seem to have much power, and it was really slow. But yeah, it's still hanging up. You got to tap the throttle. Not smoking or anything. But the throttle is getting better. But it's sticking at the governor. I gotta figure out, I don't know if some of that leakage isn't right, if the spring's not right to pull it back. It's faster than I thought it would be. I think it's faster than other mules. Of course, it's more cc's. I think the other ones are like around 400. This is 600 and something, 620. Dog again. Oh, he's gonna head us off. Suspension, it's pretty stiff. Kind of think the more we use it, the better it's going to get. I have a feeling this thing sat for a long time. Oh, we probably could lower the air pressure a little bit too in the tires. Get a little more, a little smoother ride. We left that one about 20 psi, which is a lot for these tires. let's see how it does. I spun the wheels. It's got a little bit of a hesitancy. You see it kind of stuck there, but it's pretty responsive. Just got a little bit of a hesitancy to it. Fan's running. Turn the fan off. All right. I haven't checked to see if the hour meter moves.
Thought I heard you. Got the window open.
Oh.
What you doing?
So here it is, and next thing on the list, I guess, is the gas tank, and we need to do the choke cable. We'll have to pull this center piece off and replace the choke cable. What else? Oh, the temperature switch we'll probably do before the choke cable. We'll have to pull the tire back off and do that, I guess tomorrow when it comes in. And should be good to go. We ran it quite a bit. It didn't get hot or anything. It's not puking coolant, it's not smoking, it's not doing anything. I mean, other than running well. We'll have to see if the throttle kind of works itself out. It's not sticking at a high RPM or anything. It's sticking right above idle, and we need to fix that. Emergency brake doesn't do anything. Emergency brake was on, and it was not working. So we're gonna have to address that, because you can see nothing. It's got no emergency brake. Cable could be froze up. We'll have to look at that. I'm gonna lean towards that's probably the issue, and the tightness you feel is it pulling against a frozen cable. We need to do some touch up with paint and stuff like that, but maybe paint the rims. I have a feeling this thing was maybe in I'm not gonna say salty climate, but it's not rusty like frame and stuff. It's rusty in spots you wouldn't expect, you know, like at all the welds and stuff. You see up here, pretty much everywhere where there's a weld, it's rusty, and I'm not sure why. You know, in spots where you wouldn't expect it, like here, like it was in salty air, maybe. That's what makes sense to me. It was in an area with salty air, maybe near the beach or something. But yeah, I think it's in good shape. So, you know, like all along here, everywhere there's a weld, it's pretty much got rust. So we'll flake that off and maybe hit it with a little wire brush or something, and throw some Rust-Oleum on it, and probably call it good.